So as you can see, the wind isn't blowing too hard right now, but as you all know, when it does blow harder, this thing will blow up like a balloon. Now you can see my supports, it'll never come off, it's super sturdy, but I'm going to see if I can keep some of the air out from getting underneath it and it won't be so noisy while I'm trying to sleep at night. So I got 4-inch corrugated solid pipe strung out. I got 100 foot, rolled it out nice and straight, and now I'm going to thread this around the perimeter of the pool. So as you can see, the general idea here, I'm going to attach both ends to a T with a short piece of pipe coming up as a riser to fill it in with a garden hose, and then I'll cap it and tape it. So I won't bore you with the chore of doing that. Okay, there you have it, all put together. Once we get water going in there, I'll adjust it, cap it, tape it. So, let's get the garden hose. Okay, hopefully we are recording. Got the water going in. Now I'm going to run around, do a little adjusting. All right. Down a little bit. Might still have it a tiny bit too long, but I can adjust that later. We'll come back when it's done. And I think that's where I'm going to leave it for now. I did not put a whole lot of water in it. I don't want it to be too heavy and stress the cover. This should really help cut down on evaporation just by keeping the cover from blowing up. Right before I started filling, the cover was blowing up a little bit, but it doesn't seem to be affected yet. I'll watch it throughout the day. I went ahead and taped the T fill pipe to the ladder support, and I did not tape the cap off yet, just in case I need to put more in it or drain some out. So I'll keep you posted.